Just a quick how to repair your speaker if it's got holes in it. How I started, go around the edge with some electrical tape. Electrical tape because you can, it's bendable. Well, if you know what I mean, it gets stretches. As you can see here, I'm going around the ring. Short strips.
Feeling hella saucy. All the girls try to bark and keep them all up off me. You know how it is when you living hella bossy. Stab little beat, skin tone, color coffee.
In the outer groove, these are like a mid-range driver.
It's quite costly. Eyes hella glossy. I've been smoking them trees. Plus my pupils dilated. I've been popping them peas. Pockets on fat. I've been stacking up G's. The DD is me. Just hand me the keys. Twist up a blunt while I sit with my knees. Bet you never been around some niggas like these. That's how I
and one last small piece here.
That's how I feel. That's how I feel. That's how I feel.
These still sound pretty good too. Look at these. Fuck. 6 years now. Closer to 7. That's why I'm going through and repairing them. I used to have a grill on it, but I ripped them off. Alright. Next, rubberized undercoating. Spray it over top. Rubberized because rubber flexes, and that's what you want. You want it to be able to move still. Missed a couple spots here. And the best thing about the rubberized undercoating is the fact that you can apply it to mostly anything you want. It'll conform to it if you put it on just right. Alright. That's stage 1. Go through and just smooth it out. You want this as smooth as possible. And then you're gonna do a light coat of the undercoating. That'll be in the second video. I'm leaving it in this box, but I will be building a new box. This had 2 mid-range drivers in it when I originally got this from a friend. And a tweeter. I took the tweeter out and I put a piece of PVC in it. Got a CD player in this as well. But go ahead and smooth this out. You're going to be trimming it afterwards. So get this as smooth as possible. This is the worst one. Just trying to seal it up. We're going to do a light coat. About 3 to 4 light coats of that. Letting them cure. Get this as clean as possible. You can see I had duct tape on here originally. If you got any holes or like little cuts, what you want to do is gently with your knife repair tweezers. Hard to see here. This will focus. Now right here I got a cut. Now gently try and flip this out so it just there. Hard to see, but you want this to just touch like that. So when you're spraying your undercoating, it's gonna conform to that, and after about 3 to 4 coats of it. You let it cure. When you go like this, when it's doing that, it's just going to be able to still reach its X max, which is the throw of the driver. Like these, you got your surround. That's what you're like. If this is surround is cut, the whole thing with the undercoating, it's actually going to repair that, and then the rubberized undercoating is still going to be durable enough to actually still conform, and your driver's still going to work. Don't do this if your speaker is blown. It's the voice coil that's blown, and you will not be able to repair that without, it's still going to sound like shit if you go through and try to do this. Now, if you got spots that you cannot do this, like here or whatever, you can actually put a little dab of like Seal All right here. Seal All around here as well. I got giant holes in the basket here. That's why I'm putting this on here. I'm just going to spray over top of that. Then you got one uniform layer over top. Seal All clear silicone. I'm going to actually put a little bit of silicone there, and then just slightly level it out, because this is the part, this centering is what is actually exerting. Well, that's video 1. I will make video 2 very soon.